Well, welcome to another build series. This is Scott's 76 and we are going to pimp his ride. Well, we're gonna make it look cool. It's gonna be a pretty good build. I just thought I'd show you this thing in its current state so you can kind of see the transformation happen as we go along. So come on with us and let's do it to it. Yes. We're just going to start stripping the car because we need to do bar work, front bar, rear bar. This is getting coil conversion as well. Catch cans, pre-filters, snorkels, winches, all that type of stuff. So Ronnie's literally having a really good time getting this bar off. And yeah, we're going to take his clothes off basically. And it's going to be naked and exposed. There you go. Okay, so we have made the thing naked now. There's no bars on the back or the front or anything. We're going to strip the interior of its entire coverings. We are going to do a full sound deaden on this, which is going to be a task because look how much panels we've got to cover in this thing. Have a look at it. Holy moly. As you can see, there is way more surface area that we have to cover in a 76 than there is in a dual cab or a single cab for that matter. So yeah, we're gonna strip it and rip it. I mean, cover it with some sound deadening to make this thing a bit more comfortable on the inside. And it does work. It makes a big difference. If you think that, you know, oh, it's just a load of hoo-ha. I've done it. We've done it on several vehicles and it makes a difference. I'll tell you that much. So let's get stripping. Okay, so we have pretty much pulled out the entire interior. Hey Ronnie. Except the entire interior, except for a few things. We're getting there. And we are just removing all the little bits and pieces that we need to get a nice clean surface so we can then sound deaden the 70. But that's what it looks like. Yes, very empty looking indeed, but lots of panel in there. Lots and lots of panel that needs covering, so we're gonna get into it. Okay, so we have finished sound deadening the 76. It is completed, and what we're doing now is we have started, well, we're a fair way through, the pre-wire. So everything electrical that's going in the vehicle, stereo, tow pros, lights, roof rack lighting, pre-wire, all that kind of stuff. anything that needs a wire, we're doing it now whilst all our trims are out. Everything like that is non-existent in the vehicle. Running all our wiring, and then we will basically start the refit of all the trimming and the fancy pieces. So let's have a look, shall we?
A hard day's made of starlight. A hope that cannot die. Here in the midnight sunshine, we're feeling crystallized.
Yes, so the pre-wire is happening right now. Ronnie's doing his thing, and after that we're pretty much going to be putting this bad boy on the hoist to do the coil conversion as well. So that will be pretty cool. We're doing a 3900 GVM in this vehicle, 4-inch, and he's going for a fiery red setup, so I think that's going to look pretty rad. There you go, there's a fancy word for you from back in the day, rad. Should be sweet.